We founded Mygola in 2009 with a vision to dramatically improve how people plan their trips. Through our long journey, and it's a long journey in the world of startups, we've done a bunch of very cool stuff. And throughout this time, we were focused on building a very strong team which could actually go out and build these world-class products which would be used by millions and millions of users. With that dream and vision in mind, we've been through a lot. Some of you might have actually used the products that we built. So I'll tell you a little more about the journey that we've been on so far. We started off building a web product which would actually a very simple Q&A service. But in front of this simple Q&A service, we actually built a very sophisticated engine which could collect thousands and thousands of freelancers and from all across the world who would kind of come together, use our platform and answer questions for travelers. As a traveler, this was a very simple experience. They could ask a question and get this fantastic answer, and that actually worked really well. In fact, we won some travel industry awards, not for a front-end service which was really simple, but for this really smart back-end platform which freelancers were using. While we were on this journey, at a point of time, we also kind of refocused and kind of got into the mobile world, because that's where we thought all the action was. And the exciting thing there was that our team, which was the same team which was building these web products, now transitioned to building mobile products. And the first app that we put out actually got picked up by Apple as one of the best new apps. So that I thought was really representative of who we are, how we work, and something which is kind of really close to my heart. And as you would know, that Mygola has now been acquired by MakeMyTrip, and within MakeMyTrip, we continue on this mission of working autonomously, driving massive change, thinking of these big, bold ideas, and then using the resources of this big NASDAQ-listed company to power our ideas and create these massive, exciting products which would continue to improve how people plan their trips.
I joined Mygola in 2009. It's my first company, and I'm the first employee of this company. It's a very decent journey I've been through with Mygola. So I've emerged as an engineer. I think if you want to be yourself, then you should definitely join Mygola.
So I still remember my first project in Mygola. It was like creating a login sign-up pop-up dialog. And like now I'm creating APIs which are being consumed by millions of people around the globe. So it's like I've done on so many varied problems here. Like I've done growth hacking, I've also done scraping, which is like creating a single piece of code, and like it's very customizable. So things like we always think from the perspective of scale, and we try to solve the problems in the best possible manner.
With keeping in mind that user-friendly and customer-centric approach.
At Mygola, we have spent a lot of time building a great engineering culture. We've always thought of problems and try to find solutions by thinking about them from the first principles. And this has led us to create world-class products, whether it's patent-pending algorithms, or it's delivering slick user experiences, or creating mobile applications. That's why a small team of 6 engineers has produced world-class products. Here we are a big fan of open source technologies. We have recently started contributing back to the community, try to use open source technology as much as possible. We always hire smart people and let them solve complex problems. That's why we are technology agnostic. We don't believe in taking one particular technology and using it to solve all kinds of problems. Our tech stack is a mix of PHP, Python, Java, MySQL, Redis, and many such technologies. So if you are a person who loves contributing to open source, who loves using open source technologies, who loves participating in hackathons like these, then we are really looking forward to working with you.